Okay, so today I'm not going to do a walk around video for about the car, but today we're going to unbox uh, a phone that I bought it from online because of my phone is now broken. Actually, the battery already totally useless, so I have to get a new phone and then to replace my old one. So and then this one I get quite cheap. The original price is 1249, and then now I get it with the voucher, everything all in is about 990 ringgit only. This is the honor play, so it's a 64 gig version and then blue color. So we just going through the unboxing and then hope you can enjoy. So here is the unboxing video. So finally I get my new phone. So I quite suffer a lot for the battery problem of my old Huawei P9. So now I get another phone and then hope can enjoy more, and then yeah. So in the future we're going to use this phone also for some simple recording, and then for some walk around video. So hope you can enjoy more. So thanks for watching and goodbye.